Inside your chest there is an asymmetrical lump of muscle that is devoid of emotion and not particularly romantic. Despite this, we persist in using an anatomically incorrect heart shape to adorn this coronary organ with emotional qualities. But why is that? Why do we draw heart symbols? The exact origin of this cliché is not entirely known, but it is suggested that ancient Greek philosophers were the first to associate the heart with emotions, with Aristotle often regarded as one of the main culprits. According to Dutch neurosurgeon and author Pierre Vinken, the earliest depiction of the classic heart shape appeared in a 13th century text and may have been inspired by Aristotle's unusual description of the organ. Other sources suggest that the classic heart logo represents the leaf of an extinct species of giant fennel called silphium, which once grew along the North African coast and was used as a form of birth control by the ancient Greeks and Romans. The heart and the heart symbol look nothing alike. Regardless of how the image first came to be, the study's authors bluntly remark that the universally depicted symbol of the heart looks nothing like the actual human heart. However, no one cares because the current heart symbol is only used to express the idea of the heart in its metaphorical sense, as the center of emotion, affection, and love. The first anatomical models of coronary arteries were created in the 1950s, when plastics were injected into the aortas of dead people, producing casts that surprisingly resembled the iconic heart shape. A few decades later, new techniques involving the injection of contrast dyes into the coronary arteries were developed, revealing just how accurate the traditional heart shape really was. By injecting both the right and left coronary arteries at the same time, the entire coronary circulatory system could be visualized. Simultaneous visualization of the right and left coronary trees forms the exact shape that we have come to recognize as the heart. These observations therefore raise the question of whether ancient anatomists had somehow glimpsed this pattern thousands of years before modern science revealed it. Although highly speculative, this theory may be the most plausible hypothesis to explain the exact resemblance between our modern images and the ancient archetypal image of the heart.